Most drivers don't expect to hear from the federal government unless something has gone very wrong. But this month, more than 168,000 Americans opened their mailboxes to find checks from the Federal Trade Commission, all tied to a case that exposed widespread deception in the vehicle service contract industry. The fallout is substantial. More than $9.6 million is heading back to consumers, not into the government's pocket. And this was all because you were misled, frustrated, and even left paying for repair bills that you thought were covered by companies like CarShield and American Auto Shield. This is one of the largest automotive-related refund efforts of the year, and it raises bigger questions about how these companies operate, what consumers should watch for, and whether the settlement even goes far enough. As someone who has spent years investigating automotive scams and advocating for transparency in the industry, I can tell you this case reveals a deeper problem that too many drivers face. Service contract companies relying on aggressive marketing, over-promising coverage, and fine print that only benefits the company. In July 2024, CarShield and American Auto Shield, one of the most recognizable pairs of extended warranty businesses, agreed to pay nearly $10 million in settlement to the Federal Trade Commission. The allegations centered on misleading advertising, deceptive telemarketing, and claims that simply didn't match what consumers received. Many drivers believed they were signing up for protection that covered major repairs, sometimes paying as much as $120 a month. Yet when they needed help, they discovered that the coverage often vanished behind exclusions, denials, and carefully crafted contract language. According to the FTC, the companies advertised that virtually all repairs, or even all repairs to be covered systems, would be paid under the plans. Drivers were told they would receive rental cars at no cost when their vehicles broke down and could take their car to any repair shop. But many found themselves stuck with bills they assumed they would avoid. The agency argued that these misleading claims convinced countless consumers to buy service contracts that didn't live up to their promises. And under the settlement, CarShield and American Auto Shield must stop using deceptive claims in their marketing, and they are now required to ensure all endorsements and testimonials reflect accurate, verifiable consumer experiences, and that includes the celebrities that they use. This is notable because the endorsements have been central to the advertising strategy. The new rules force companies to match their marketing with their actual service. And for many consumers, that alignment is long overdue. The FTC's payout is already underway. Checks have been mailed to 168,179 drivers that were impacted by false promises and denied coverage. Each check must be cashed within 90 days. There is no requirement to provide banking information or make payments to receive the refund. This is all great news. This refund effort is part of a broader push by the FTC to hold companies accountable, especially those operating in industries where consumers often felt overwhelmed or confused. And in 2024 alone, the FTC actions resulted in more than $339 million in refunds across the country. Automotive issues remain a significant area of concern because drivers rely heavily on their vehicles, and unexpected major repairs can easily create financial strain. This case serves as a reminder that vehicle service contracts, often marketed as extended warranties, can be useful when offered by reputable companies. They clearly outline what is and what is not covered, and I do not endorse any of them. But too often, consumers are sold plans that promise peace of mind while delivering a little more than high monthly payments and denied claims. Make sure to check with a mechanic before you sign up with any of these, because most of these contracts are not a good deal. And many drivers purchase these plans believing they will safeguard them from costly repairs, only to learn that these exclusions, loopholes, and overshadowed benefits, well, you're really not getting what you're paying for. And the FTC's action may be a turning point, signaling that regulators are paying close attention to misleading automotive advertising. Whether they will force broader industry changes, well, that remains to be seen. But it is clear that companies using aggressive sales tactics, using celebrities and unclear language and unrealistic claims are facing new scrutiny. Drivers deserve straightforward information, honest coverage, and companies that honor the commitments they advertise. This case underscores why transparency matters, why consumers must stay vigilant when evaluating any service contract. The CarShield settlement is a significant step, but it's also a reminder that it sounds too good to be true. It usually is. As the checks continue to arrive and the industry takes notice, one message is clear. Oversight is increasing, and companies promising high-value automotive protection will be expected to deliver exactly that. For drivers nationwide, this is a win. and a moment to rethink how we protect our vehicles and our wallets. My bottom line is, what the big print giveth, the small print taketh away. Always read these contracts. Most of them are not good deals. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this, and check out our car review channel, Car Smarts. You can support me by buying me a cup of coffee, and if you want even more content, check out the links in the description. I'm Lauren Fix. Thank you so much for watching.